Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. As you know, Valentine's Day is coming. Are you looking for Valentine's Day nail design ideas? Then you will enjoy looking through all these nail photos as inspiration. Valentine's is the day of love, and this is the perfect day to have huge nails as an excuse. Set the mood for this special day, and what better way than by indulging yourself in some self-care. Whether you are happily in a relationship or single, Valentine's Day is all about celebrating romance and friendship and showing others how much you care for them. To get into Valentine's mood, you can try some of these Valentine's nail design ideas. Instead of the basic red nail polish, you can also try going for something more creative like heart, the love word, glitter, and so much more. In this video, you will see some favorite Valentine's nails with pink, red and black base colors. I hope you like them as much as I do. You can recreate one of these nail designs for February 14th. Also, you can achieve adorable nails without too much effort. Ready to see all these beautiful ideas? Now, let's go through all the beautiful Valentine's Day ideas. Nail art design a significant role in Valentine's Day fashion as it allows individuals to express their romance and festive spirit through creative designs and colors. Here are some reasons why nail art holds value in Valentine's Day fashion. Number 1. Expression of love. Nail art offers a unique way to express love and affection. Heart designs, romantic patterns, and red or pink color schemes are popular choices that symbolize love and passion. Number 2. Personal style statement. Nail art allows individuals to showcase their personality and style preferences. Whether someone prefers bold and dramatic designs or subtle and elegant patterns, nail art offers endless possibilities for self-expression. Number 3. Completes the look. Just like accessories or makeup, nail art adds the finishing touch to an outfit. It complements Valentine's Day attire and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Number 4. Conversation starter. Eye-catching nail art can spark conversations and draw attention, making it a fun and engaging way to connect with others, especially on Valentine's Day. Number 5. Celebrating romance. Valentine's Day is all about celebrating love and romance. Nail art provides an opportunity to embrace the festive spirit and indulge the romantic atmosphere of the occasion. Overall, nail art adds flair, charm, and sense of celebration to Valentine's Day fashion, making it an essential element for those making fully embrace the spirit of the holiday. For a Valentine's Day inspired nail art, you could consider classic red. Paint your nail with a bold classic red nail polish and add a touch of glam with a glittery accent nail. Heart tip. Paint your nails red and then add heart-shaped tips in a lighter shade of red or pink for a cute and romantic look. Ombre effect. Create an ombre effect by blending different shades of red on each nail, starting with a darker red at the base and gradually fading to a lighter shade towards the tip. Red roses. Paint your nails red and then use a thin nail art brush to create delicate rose design in a darker shade of red. Love letters. Paint your nails with a red base and then use a fine-tipped nail art pen or brush to write love-themed words like love, kiss, or zozo in each nail. Whichever design you choose, adding some red glitter or rhinestones can also give your nail art an extra touch of sparkle, perfect for Valentine's Day. Hope you have found an idea for this Valentine. You must share this idea with us and also share this video with your friends and family members to increase the charm of this Valentine's Day. Thank you.